Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get rid of duplicate drives that are in the navigation pane in File Explorer. As you can see here in this PC, we have two CD-ROM drives and two E drives here. And if you right-click on one of them, you could pin to start or pin to quick access. That's not what we want. Or open or look at the properties, and that's about it. Show more options doesn't give you anything else you could do to remove it. So to do this, we're going to do a quick registry edit. So I have a remove duplicate drives file here, and then another one to add it back if for some reason you wanted it back. I can't imagine a reason to want it back, but just in case you do. So let's open these in Notepad here, see what they look like. So here's what it does for the remove, and then the add. This is what it does right here. All right, so to apply this, we just need to double click on the remove duplicate drives registry file. Say yes to the UAC prompt. Say yes to adding the information to the registry, and then OK. And now you can see we only have one CD drive and one E drive. And if we want to put it back, just do this. And now we have our duplicates back, which obviously we don't want. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you could download these two registry files, and then you could remove your duplicates. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.